Hello my fly babies, my lions and my patrons. It's me, your FlyLady Kat, and today I'm going to give you my Patreon and review for the week of the 12th through the 16th. I do them 5 days a week, and here we go. The first one on Monday was called Decision Fatigue. You ever have decision fatigue? On Tuesday, I talked about mental toughness. On Wednesday, there's nothing like winning. On Thursday, never give up. And on Friday, we talked about being you. Okay, so I hope that if you are one of my patrons, you come on over and watch your videos. And if you're not one of my patrons, please consider joining us. It's $5 a month, and you will get videos that you will never see on the YouTube channel, and there are no advertisements. So I hope that you come over and join us. Try it for a month. See if it's something you enjoy. And also, I want you to remember that when you are on the regular YouTube channel and you're watching, there are advertisements. I know during the political season, it's difficult to watch advertisements that you don't agree with. I have a really hard time with that too. But if you could just let the advertisement play until the whole message is out, that's when I get paid. Otherwise, all this work I do, I don't get paid for it. So I'd really appreciate it if you'd watch the whole advertisement. On Patreon, I get paid by your little $5 contribution every month. That's how I get paid. Because I contribute a lot of my time to doing these for you because I want you to have them, but I do need to be compensated for my time. All right, that's it for today. I want you to remember to always be beautiful because you are beautiful.